Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I turned this pile of parts into this. So watch this video to the end if you want to see how I made this little truck. And let's get into the build. I got a little carried away and didn't film the other parts, but I got it more or less put together. It's a roller, and I can start seeing the rest of the lines. I got started on the roof, but I wasn't really pleased with the lines, so I decided to try again. So I'm framing out the back window here, trying to see where it's at. Alright, all the hard parts are done. Now we just have to add the patina layer and the few final details and it'll be all finished up. But with that, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, I ask you go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.